boundless curiosity informed by science and inspired by imagination, a passion for collaborating and sharing new discoveries, facilities and tools that equip investigations, all at a graduate medical and health sciences university renowned for its high quality and collegiality, and where discovery is an integral part of our vision. Welcome to the research enterprise at Des Moines University.
Our vision for research is to be a cultivator of distinct faculty and student researchers who will have an impact on healthcare as a whole.
Assistant Professor Vanya Durich is investigating the cellular mechanisms and underlying brain events that cause depression and that link it to chronic pain and other central nervous system disorders.
And currently it's not well understood how or why chronic pain patients become depressed, and that's one of the goals of our research. We were looking at some of the same brain areas as where we look at pathophysiology of depression. Now we're looking at those same areas in the context of chronic pain, and we're looking at for some similarities and differences in some of the cellular and molecular mechanisms, and with the overall goal to improve the overall treatment or approach to treatment of chronic pain.
Podiatric physician and assistant professor Mindy Fielmeyer is collecting evidence to evaluate and improve bunion surgery. Physical therapy faculty James Lang and Kristen Lowry have several projects underway, ranging from probing microvascular function and its impact on vascular disease.
So if we can delay the onset of cardiovascular disease, that's the ultimate goal, or find diagnostic measures that can allow us to do that would be important.
To developing ways to help Parkinson's disease sufferers increase physical function.
What are the best ways to retrain walking skill, particularly in people with movement disorders like Parkinson's disease? Because over the course of the disease, slowly over the course of the disease, they lose walking skill. And what is the best way to retrain that?
Assistant Professor Eric Wasson is conducting research to determine potential drug targets that could be used to treat cardiovascular disease and prevent mortality from heart attack.
And recently in my lab, we've discovered a novel protein in the heart cells that can actually increase the autophagy response. So my goal is to actually look at that protein and determine if it's a potential candidate for future drugs that target that protein to be used to prevent mortality eventually from heart attack.
The students are key to our success, and we really promote them and their involvement in our research projects.
Either summer undergraduate students from the area universities, medical students that are doing summer research, and also our master's program where we have students come in and work in our lab for a 2-year period. It's critical for student involvement because they're really the people that do a lot of the work and come up with a lot of the ideas. And so without the students, we really wouldn't be able to do the research.
These inquiries have different goals and occur in different settings, from the lab to the clinic to the community. All are examples of DMU's dynamic research enterprise.
We've got the resources of the clinic, we've got the resources of the research office, and some of the biomolecular work that is going over in Ryan Hall right now. I think there's some fantastic opportunities for collaboration and for research here at DMU.
The discoveries that students and faculty are making at Des Moines University today will powerfully advance our knowledge, benefit future healthcare patients, and improve the quality of life of individuals, communities, and populations. We invite you to visit our campus and our website to learn more about DMU's dynamic and rigorous research environment.